Hello guys, welcome to Legit Boss once again. In this video tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can earn at least free $72 in this video tutorial. For those of you who are interested in making money online, or those of you who have never made money online before, after watching this video, you should be able to earn your first 100,000 online. Okay, in this video tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys step by step on how we are going to do that. All you need to do is to pay attention to this video, watch this video from beginning to the end without skipping any single line. Okay, now if you look at this platform, you will discover that this platform is not actually a new platform, but there is no update on this platform, and that is the reason why I am emphasizing more on this. For the purpose of those of you who have not heard about this platform before, I think after watching this video, this should be your opportunity. Okay, then at the end of this video, I'm going to be leaving our WhatsApp group link in the comment section of this video. For those of you who might pick interest in joining this platform after watching this video, I'll be leaving our WhatsApp group link. You can join our WhatsApp group, but if you're not interested, you can actually watch this video and then subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for more updates. Okay, so in this video tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys everything, how you can get this $72 on this platform for free with zero investment. Okay, all you need to do is to pay attention to me. But before I proceed, guys, my name is Sparky, aka Legit Boss. What I do on this channel is all about business. I share business updates every day on how to make money online. So if you're an online hustler, you're interested in making money online, all you need to do for you not to miss out any of my latest updates is to hit on that subscribe button showing on your screen and then turn on notification bell so that you'll be notified on daily basis with your smartphone on money making updates. Okay, now in this video tutorial, I'm going to be explaining to you guys what this platform is all about. Basically, for those of you who don't know about it before, and those of you might have heard about it before, or you're already participating in this platform, I want you guys to know that this platform is running a limited event offer. They are currently running an event, and that event is designed to earn you at least $72 for the next 3 days. So that is how it is. This event lasts for just 3 days. So today, this date is 29. You have today, tomorrow, and then Saturday, which is 31st, and it is ending on that 31st round evening. So that is when this event is ending, and those who will join today are the people who will benefit from this event. Old users can't benefit from this. Okay, now before I proceed to share with you guys how this thing is, I will first of all explain what this platform is all about. The name of this platform, as you can see here on your screen, is Effasan. What is this Effasan all about? Effasan is a Web3 project. This is airdrop. Please take note. Airdrop. When you hear airdrop, it has to do with something free that does not involve you putting in your money. It is free. Okay, now this Effasan has been existing for long now, and they have been paying. Yes, I'm a living testimony, but now they want to list their EFS token, the Effasan token, on exchanges like Bitgate, Binance, Bitmart, so many of the exchanges you can think of. They want to list, and now they are now doing a limited time event for people who have not joined this platform before. Now, for those who have joined this platform, you can accumulate the EFS token by earning the gems. So these gems you can see here on your screen. You can see my available gems here. So you can earn these gems in two ways. You earn these gems when you invite friends, and also earn these gems when you check in daily. That's when you sign in daily on this platform. But this event they are running is for new users. I will explain more to that. Now, as of last month, which is April, we were able to cash out these gems as USDT. Now, these gems, if you accumulate these gems, let me show you guys. Once you accumulate these gems, before you can actually convert it to USDT. But due to the EFS token they want to list, they now close the swap channel on USDT. So you can now swap only these gems to this EFS token. So that's the only way you can earn this EFS token. Okay, because there is no other way you can accumulate the token before the listing date. So that is the reason why they now use these gems as way you can actually earn this token, and this token worth a lot. So this token worth a lot. Now, I said earlier that you are going to earn $72 on this platform. Let's pick a calculator and know how much this $72 worth. Take a look at the amount in naira. If you convert this, is 115,200. That's why I said if you have never made your first 100 online before, after watching this video, you should be able to make your first 100. That's if you're interested. Take note. Okay, so that is it. You can see it now. For those who have not joined this platform before, or let me just say any new account you create on this platform, you sign in for 3 days. For 3 consecutive days, you are going to be given 10 EFS token. Let me show you guys this EFS token you are seeing here. You can see the amount I'm having. The amount I'm having is 170 EFS token. Now you are going to be given 10. Now the worth of that 10 is $72 when they list. Now one thing about this platform, one thing I like about them is their transparency. Because if they tell you they're going to list and so something, they're going to list during their this thing, their Efferson token times PHY. They said they were going to list at 0.1 per one, and they listed at that 0.1 per one. So that is one thing you should know about this platform. So if they tell you they're going to do A, they're going to do A. Now the current price of this EFS token is $3, and they say they're going to list at $6 per one. So that's the reason why that 10 token you are receiving is worth $72. So which means the amount you should expect on the listing date is $72 or more. Now you may be asking, hi, if I receive this token, will I be able to withdraw it? I've already made video on that yesterday, and I explained all that you can't actually withdraw this money now. You can only withdraw this money on the listing date, and this platform is said to be listing at the end of this year. So we're almost getting into the middle of the year, so which means you have to be patient. And now when you receive this 10 token, this 10 EFS token, what do you do? You now keep earning. How do you earn? You can earn by inviting friends. You can also earn by signing in daily. So you can see the option when you go to your personal center. You can see this place here, sign in daily. Remember, for you to be able to receive this 10 token we are talking about, some people had account with this platform, and up to now they don't even have up to that 10 token, and they're giving it to all new users. So which means as a new user, you are privileged to receive 10 EFS token. If you sign in for 3 consecutive days, that token will be given to you. So that is it. First, when you register, they are going to give you 2 tokens. So they're going to give you 2 tokens when you register, and then for the next 3 days you will still receive extra 8 or 10, making it 12 or making it 10. So that is it. So every day you click on sign in. So when you click on sign in, you will receive the gems. Okay, so you can see it here. I've received today's own. So when you go to your personal center, you can see I've received today's own. Take a look at it. You can see the transaction history here. That's the record of your sign-in. This thing here, your sign-in record. You can see it here. So 400 gems every day. And then to invite your friends now, when you come to this place here, you can see the option of invitation reward. So this is the link. So this is the link in our WhatsApp group. Okay. So that's it. Then you can see this place that I have over 60,000 team members here. Like I said before, this platform used to pay you when you just join and then invite friends and then you check in daily. You can actually swap it to USDT as of last month, let's just say last 2 months and then last month. But now, because of that, I have already explained that because of the token they want to list, you can no longer swap it. Now what do you do? For those of you who may be joining today, what do you do now? So when you accumulate these gems, you swap it. Always swap it, because according to the information I got on this platform, if you have these gems and you did not swap it to the EFS token and the token swapping channel closed, it means you can no longer swap your token again, and then you can either use it to play game on the platform. So that was the information I got. I don't know how true that is, but it's advisable once you accumulate these gems, you now convert it to the EFS token. So when you come to spot account, you click on it, you can see the token I'm already having. You click on fly swipe, so you can now swap it to the EFS token. So that is how it is, guys. So, and then don't forget, I said the withdrawal will be available once they are listing. Once they want to list, the listing day is when you are going to claim this token to your own crypto exchange. If it is Binance they listed on, you are going to claim it to your Binance. If it is Bitget they listed on, you are going to claim this token to your Bitget. And then what happens when you claim it? That is when you will now swap it to USDT, and they will now have this exact amount I've mentioned in this video. That's if they later list at $6 per one. If they list at $6 per one, that is the amount of money you are going to receive. Now the current price of EFS token is $3, and the listing price is expected to list. They are expected to list at $6 per one. So that is it. And then good luck to all of us, and then happy cash out in advance to all of us. Thank you for watching this video. And then if you have another question, the comment section is widely open for you. You can comment below. I'll be there to reply you. Thank you for watching this video. I remain Legit Boss. Don't forget that there's love in sharing. As I've shared this video with you, also share it with friends and then family. And don't forget to like this video, and may God bless you as you share this video. Thank you.